Welcome to Borail News. One person seriously injured by an excavator. Shankar Paul, age 40, a resident of Harangazao, have been seriously injured by bucket of an excavator near Ditokchora in Dimahasao on Monday afternoon. After the bucket hit at him, operator of the excavator immediately fled the spot. It is whether unknown the operator intentionally hit at him or by an accident. Paul have been airlifted by IAF chopper in Silchar. He have been currently admitted at Silchar Medical College Hospital under ICU. Reporting by Subrodey, Borail News from Harangazao.